If you're still doing affiliate marketing the manual way in 2026, you're working way too hard for way too little money. I'm going to show you the exact tools that I use that's replacing teams, speeding up people's content, and helping normal people live lives building an income without having to stay on their laptop. Hi, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I teach people how to use AI, digital marketing, to build real income online so they can quit their 9 to 5 or at least quit worrying about money. No hype, no fake screenshots, just tools that actually can help you move the needle. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Basically, it's your business brain, or at least it's mine. The thing is most people use ChatGPT like it's Google. No, that's a mistake. I use it as content planner, my copywriter, my offer creator, my customer research tool, and my funnel assistant. You need an example? Here we go. Here's a prompt. Act as a $10 million affiliate marketer. Create a 7-day content plan to promote a beginner AI product to business moms who want to quit their 9 to 5 or who want to quit their job. And in 10 seconds, I have a full plan that used to take hours. So basically, if you're not using AI for strategy, then you're leaving money on the table. All right, that one I had to point out because it gets way too overlooked. Tool number 2 you can use for a lot of stuff. This is my new favorite tool very, very recently. It does AI voiceover, headshot, AI photo editing, AI images, and AI video. And it does it in a couple different ways. Also, if you're into faceless content, you're going to like this too because it's going to help you out. So basically, this thing is gold. As you can see, you can do all kinds of things with this software. And I have been playing with it and I am falling in love. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. It's awesome, and wait till you see the pricing. This is way affordable compared to a lot of other software. So see, it's not that bad at all. And I have a code to give you a 20% discount. And along with this, when you do get this and you get it from me, I have a free GPT to give you as a bonus. That way it can help you and save you credits. It does natural AI voices, which this is the only software I know that you can do all this other stuff, and it does the AI voices as well, which can help you with your YouTube videos, your shorts, ads, and training content. Basically, it lets you scale and saves you time. I used it. I did a video that was like a picture to video, and I did it as a reel. It's real cool. I needed a picture for a post to create that. I did another picture to video, and I did some more AI photos. So I've been happy with everything that's done for me so far. Tool number 3 is Syllabi. It's AI video creation. And if you really want to do things without having to show your face, then it's right up your alley. I mean, video sells, period. But the truth is that most people hate having to use the time, and they hate being on camera. I don't know why. So this is just a few things it can do. It can turn scripts into videos. It can also create your scripts for you too. Creates faceless content, and it can do the short form and long form. It adds captions automatically, and all at the same time, it lets you post on YouTube, Reels, TikTok. You can post everywhere. This is how affiliates are running channels without showing their face at all and blowing up. That's pretty powerful. Tool number 4 is Canva AI. So basically, it's the real Canva with the AI in it. It has high converting visuals. Your links don't sell, visuals do. So I know there's like Data Banana, and then you can also use the tool that's inside of ChatGPT, but for specific stuff, this one does better. So a lot of times too, I'll be like, what's the exact way I should say it, or a prompt, and I'll ask ChatGPT and then take that and paste it in software and stuff like Canva AI. Its AI tool can make some really cool thumbnails for your YouTube channel. It can build lead magnets, some really nice ones too. Design carousel posts, and those are doing really good on Instagram. It can create brand graphics in minutes. Did I say minutes? Good designs, it builds trust. Seriously. And trust build clicks. Clicks build commission. Is stuff adding up? Is it adding up? And another thing that I like about Canva is you can use AI to create all this kind of stuff, and then you can schedule it all out where you have like 30 days of content and you can do it in bulk all at once. Tool number 5, it's an AI website builder. It's called Hostinger. It's simply just fast, reliable sites that convert. This is where a lot of people get stuck, to tell you the truth. They think that you need to be technical, and you really don't. Nothing converts if your site is slow. I don't care if it's an official website or a funnel or whatever it is. It cannot be slow. Hostinger hosts with that. It hosts websites, builds landing pages, it lets you connect custom domains, and it keeps everything fast. Did I say fast? Yeah. And secure. I've said this for years. Speed builds trust. Trust builds conversions. Conversions build income. So basically, if your site loads slow, you're leaking income. Seriously. I did a video like years ago. It was called Speed Batters. It's because it does. Tool number 6 is called Content 360. It's basically my content repurposing machine. And I used this for a while before I even told anybody about it. And now, whenever I do tell someone about it, they're like, oh my gosh, I wish I knew about this a long time ago. So basically, one post shouldn't just stay one post. I love Content 360. I use it to turn one idea into multiple posts, create content from multiple platforms, and I can post them all at the same time. I can take emails, repurpose them, put them into Content 360, and use it to help multiply, and send. This way, it keeps my brand consistent everywhere. I told someone this, like a group the other day, and they're like, that's how I can see you everywhere. I'm like, yeah, I'm not singly posting on every single site. Yeah, no. And consistency builds authority. Yay! Seriously, it's true. And guess what? Authority builds attention. Attention builds sales. Okay, I know I'm a geek, but still, it's true. It's true. So stop creating more. Shelly's trying to help you, trying to make your life easier. Quit bending your wheel. Start multiplying what you already have. And I always say this, save some brain cells. You save time and saves you brain cells, because I used to stress out over all of the content having to be everywhere. You don't have to. Reality check section. Let me be real for a second. AI will not magically make you rich, but AI plus a simple affiliate system plus consistency absolutely can. I went from corporate IT to building income online because I learned systems, not shortcuts. And now it's cool because AI can remove a lot of the hard part. I built a free AI affiliate system builder, GPT, just for you. It's literally, it'll help you map out your funnel, your content, and your email all in minutes. Seriously, it's no charge, no charge. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment AI so I know to make more videos just like this one if you like it. And something tells me that if you do like it, you're gonna like the next video that pops up too. So go ahead and watch it because I'm in it. So see you there.